I don't know if those guys were, it might have been some form of fucking media, but they were probably contractors. I mean, they not necessarily combat. Most of those guys were doing like drone work, right? Like most of the contractors I met were nowhere near, but you still saw that kind of aesthetic on them all the time, right?
I'm only here for the violence.
The same thing. I'm only here for the violence, right? Like that's the same thing that sign at that base bar says, right? I'm here for the fucking violence because it's fun, you know?
Patriarchy bad.
No, these guys are fine.
Yeah, these guys are doing good. They're doing good. Richard Marcinko fit in perfectly among this crowd. As Phillips writes, he, quote, went by the name Demo Dick and called his men Marcinko's merry band of murdering marauders. Village by village, his team
I waste my shit. I'm way too high.